planning an event in London, you already know the biggest headache isn't the venue, it's people. You need reliable hands right now. That's where exhibition recruitment agencies and an event recruitment agency come in, especially when you're looking for London event crew who actually show up prepared. Whether it's exhibition staff for a busy stand, promotional staff to drive footfall, or hiring wait staff for event catering, you can hire event staff without the stress. Need promotional staff London for a brand activation? Or event staff hire London for a conference next week? Done. From seasonal event staff during peak months to weekend event staff for those short turnaround jobs, the right team makes everything smoother. Need an event crew hire for load-in and breakdown? Book setup staff and get real event help on the floor, fast. If you're serious about event staff recruitment, choose a promotional staffing agency London that can deliver a quick hire and the right fit every time.